Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar and type your device manager, then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the display adapters. So here it is, just click on this icon to expand this. Now right click on the drivers and select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. So we will choose the first option, search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then click on this. So the best drivers will be installed. Close this, again click on update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select this model, click on next, and there we go. The Windows has successfully updated your driver. Now close this window and we will simply move to the next step. That will be simply right click on the task bar and select task manager. You can also search it from here. Simply type here task manager, then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on this icon, performance icon. So click on it. On this tab here you will get which graphics card you're using. In my system it's Intel Core TM i5 9400. So we need to download its drivers, latest drivers. So search for it in any web browser and simply add download drivers, so then install it. So that's it guys, simply close this window and restart your system. Your problem will be solved and you're good to go.